Hello and welcome to another update about MicroStrategy MSTR. We want to take a look at the bigger picture first. So quick info that we are getting close to the top of a long-term rally that started in 2002. That's at least the idea, that we completed here a wave 1, a wave 2. That was the wave 2 low that bottomed in 2008. Then we have a 3-wave move up in wave 3, which all fits the idea of a diagonal pattern where the subwaves are all corrective and consist of 3-wave structures. Then a wave 4 pullback here into the December 22 low, and now a 5th wave to the upside. And this could complete a 5-wave move up from the 2002 low, which means the correction could be quite substantial. There's a guideline in Elliott wave that says that a wave 2 tends to finish in the wave 4 area of a previous wave degree. Of one lesser degree, So we might test the area around $15 again. That would be quite a substantial correction, but I think that would align with Bitcoin's next bear market probably, right? We're not there yet, and in the short term, I'm still looking for higher prices. Now that's one scenario. Please note that this correction should be quite substantial because in contrast to the last bear market, where on the MicroStrategy chart, the 4th wave just corrected the 3rd wave rally between 2008 and 2021, this correction, which is a larger degree wave 2, will correct the entire move up that started in 2002. So it's quite a substantial, or there's quite a substantial potential for a substantial correction. Now I see one, let's say, less bearish scenario, and that's the yellow scenario. And as I said, if we're dealing with a diagonal pattern, then first of all, there are always different interpretations. That's the problem with a diagonal pattern. But the main takeaway is that in a diagonal pattern, each of the subwaves is corrective. So we're dealing with 3-wave movements. The wave 1 is a pretty clear 3-wave move. The wave 3 is a pretty clear 3-wave move. The wave 5, not so much yet. Okay, so I definitely would consider the option of a clearer 3-wave move. That means the next pullback might just be a B wave, but even that would be quite substantial. So I would say whether this is a B wave correction or the wave 2 is actually in the beginning not really so important, because both would be quite substantial corrections. Whereas the yellow B wave, obviously less so, but it should also take us way below $100, I would say. But again, we haven't topped yet, so it will also depend on where exactly we find a top. Now let's go to the smaller time frame. You can see that this is the rally from the 2022 low. I'm calling that an ABC structure because, as I said, we are dealing with a diagonal. So I've got an A wave, I've got a B wave, and the C wave could be unfolding now as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. We could be in the 5th wave now. So that's what I'm tracking right now. And that would be wave 5 of either the larger wave 1 or wave 5 of C or 5 of 1, or of the yellow A wave, as I just showed you on the long-term chart. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame, because this is now where it's getting interesting. From this internal 4th wave low, from the August low this year, we only have 3 waves up. I've got a wave 1, I've got a wave 2, I've got a wave 3. That 3rd wave might still extend a bit higher, but you can see, I think, pretty well that already in this 3rd wave we can identify 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. So it's pretty much done what it needs to do. Yep, we could get maybe one more extension in wave 5 of 3, but I've already added the support area for a wave 4 pullback, and that wave 4 pullback could land in the region between $175.48 and $194. This is standard support for an internal 4th wave. I can't confirm yet that this 4th wave has started because the pullback from the last high is only in 3 waves, and we're still even holding above a trend line. So it's a bit too early to confirm that the internal wave 4 pullback has started. Definitely worth watching for it, and the risk of this pullback that is starting already is high. Now at the moment I'm not assuming a major top is in yet. I'd like to see that one more 4-5 pattern with another high, possibly targeting, actually, let's zoom out a bit, the 340 plus area. That's the next Fibonacci extension target. But as I said, it is even possible that within this 5th wave we get one more extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then the price should hold above the last swing low. At any break below that $204 level would be good confirmation we've topped. Already now, I think it is quite likely we've topped already, but I can't confirm it yet. We're still fighting with that trend line there. But that's the main, because we could have started the 4th wave already, This is the main risk area right now. That's the update about MicroStrategy. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out the Stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.